Yesterday you told me that I was better than half the guys on your team.
I never said that.
What are you talking about? Why are you lying?
Well, end of discussion.
Fine. End of relationship.
Here you go. Thank you. Mainit. Kamusta? I'm okay. Oo nga, I'm okay. I'm done crying. Saka binara ko na lahat ng picture niya sa poster. Actually, lahat ng picture sa amin. Binara ko na.
Hi, Linda. This is Sandra. That's my girl. Hi.
Nag-waterproofing na kami sa labas. Natural color lang yung wood. Walang masisira sa design ng bahay. Okay sa'yo.
Sige, ikaw na bahala din. I trust. You came. Kali na kaganda.
Sorry. It's okay. Honest mistake.
Magbabago pa naman yung tone ng brown na habulin namin yun. First coating pa lang to. Tapos, tayo namin tapusin yung waterproofing.
Oh, sige. Kasi parang gusto ko mas pantay. Ang sa'yo yung pinili mo. Guwapo. Tingnan mo.
I did the triple.